I just want to share this story and this win from one of my clients to show you guys just how easy it is to manifest your specific person. So this client of mine came to me because he wanted to manifest his SP. And when we first worked together, he was in absolutely no contact. She ghosted him. He was in a really bad place. And I remember when he came to me, his energy was all over the place. Like he just desperately wanted to get her back. Okay. And I know the feeling because I've been there. I've been afraid of letting a person go, and I've been guilty of just accepting the bare minimum and accepting their breadcrumbs. With my previous partner, I was, hanging on to him, just texting me here and there, not really giving me what I truly felt I deserved and desired. My cat is right here. And I just know the feeling of wanting someone so desperately and just doing every technique under the sun to get them back. So when this client of mine came to me and was so distraught, I had to go slow with him, but ultimately I made him go on a self-acceptance journey. It took me a while to really drill it in his head that his SP was not going anywhere, because his fear was that if he focused on himself too much, that she would disappear and never come back. And I know that fear, I get it, but it doesn't work that way. Remember that your SP is you. Everyone is you pushed out. There's only you in your reality. So the more you love, care, and respect yourself, the more your SP will mirror that back to you. So I gave him the formula that's inside my program, Become Magnetic, by the way. You can access it immediately at the top of my page. But I just told him to start with 30 days, as I always do. By week 1, he was still restless and he was still getting used to the idea of pulling back and not texting her and just focusing on himself. By week 2, he definitely started feeling more like himself. By week 3 and 4, he didn't even care if she was coming back or not. He was enjoying the process of working on himself, and he definitely realized that a lot of what happened in their relationship was his wounds playing out, because this SP of his was just always ghosting him, never reading his texts, always saying that, she's busy with work and never giving him any of her time. And of course, when we work on ourselves and detach from the outcome, what happens? We get our desire. So even before the 30 days was over, she came back, of course. And he was so surprised, but I had to tell him that as within, so without. Of course she would come back, because he learned to love himself. He learned to focus himself on his own energy and love himself, that the love just radiated out, and whoever or whatever he desired was just magnetized towards him. And now they're going on dates regularly. She's the one calling him and telling him that she wants to meet. She was even open to the idea of them traveling together and taking, a weekend off. And this came from someone who wouldn't even read his texts. And honestly, the only thing that changed was his energy. And I remember in one of our calls, he was like, everything I imagined in my mind, I actually did with her. Like everything down to the details of the exact brand of wine that she ordered at dinner. The meals, the conversations were exactly like he imagined. And he was so confused. He's like, how is this happening? And I'm like, this is how it works. This is how easy it is, and how it's so possible to just imagine what you desire and having it come to you. All you have to do is just enjoy the process, imagine the outcome, detach yourself, and just love the process of manifesting. You have to just imagine your outcome, enjoy the process, enjoy your life, follow your joy, not attach negative emotions to what you desire. So he wasn't imagining her and feeling sad or feeling regret or lack, but he was imagining her and feeling all the happiness, feeling as if she was already there with him. So anyway, if you want to learn the exact formula that I shared with this client of mine, definitely join Become Magnetic. It's an 8-week manifestation program that will teach you how to manifest everything, including a specific person. It's based off of Neville Goddard's teachings, but of course the main tool inside that course is EFT tapping. So it's a really powerful course. I'm not doing any one-on-ones until August, but if you're interested in that, definitely drop me a message and we could work something out. But Become Magnetic is already a transformational course. So get it at the link at the top of my page, and I'll see you next time.